Hello, everyone. It's good to have you with me. I'm Deanna King, owner of 5dpath.fun and 5D Guidance. And today we're going to do a really quick clearing guided visualization to release energy that is not helping us. And oftentimes, I call it foreign energy that is not really ours, that we've taken on. And also, we are going to clear the energy of the old us. So that just means the stuff that we have grown past, but we're still maybe clinging to, or it is still hanging on. So it's just going to be a complete clearing and then a refill. So this will be a quick guided visualization, something you can do on your own at any time. Because it does really make a big difference in how we feel and our clarity when we get rid of all the gunk. So first of all, I want you to find yourself in a very comfortable place, sitting in a chair, hopefully a straight back, feet on the floor. This will keep you grounded. I will guide you into a little grounding as well. But I want you to make sure that you're going to be private, not interrupted for about the next 15 minutes. So I want you to just come into your body, really focus into your heart space. You might even put a hand on your heart and one on your solar plexus to really bring your attention to your body. And notice your feet on the ground and what that feels like to have that slight pressure of your feet on the ground. And notice the sensation where your bottom is hitting the chair, if you're sitting in a chair. The weight of your body on that chair. And go ahead and visualize a grounding cord from your hips going down into the earth, connecting you. And equally from your crown chakra, the top of your head, visualize a cosmic cord going up into the heavens, into divine source light. And you then are in the center of these two amazing, beautiful forces. So in this exercise, we're going to do some sincere pretending, which is just using our psychic space, our sixth chakra, third eye. And out in front of you, I want you to visualize a rose, a very large, magnificent, mature rose. I like to make mine about 2 feet, 3 feet across. And I'm actually just seeing the bud, the flower portion, not the stem. And I want you to notice the colors, what colors have shown up for you today. You might even smell it or remember what the rose smells like. Imagine yourself reaching out and smelling this beautiful scent. If you were going to touch this rose, you would feel the velvet of the petals, the softness, the gentleness, fragility. And we're going to command this rose at this time to be magnetic. We command for this rose to assist us in this clearing process. It is our magic wand. As it is magnetic, it is also like a sponge. Therefore, it will be able to draw up, collect up, absorb up whatever we desire it to do. I want you to create next to you a very small campfire, but the fire is not orange or yellow, it is violet, lavender, purple, violet flame. So we're going to take this rose either with our physical hands or our psychic hands. We're going to reach out there and grab it from out in front of us, and we're going to ask for it to collect up all the foreign energy in our body and in our energy bodies right now. And I want you to take that rose and put it up above your head. And then I want you to slowly bring it down into your skull, your brain. And notice how it expands to either side of your actual head into this space, this mental space outside of your head. And it is just doing its work right now. It is clearing and sucking and cleaning all the foreign energy from your body. Bring it down into your shoulders. Bring it down into your upper chest. Make sure it's collecting from your back that you cannot see, down into your lungs and your heart space. Cleaning and clearing, collecting down into your solar plexus, into that chakra, kidneys, adrenals, down into your abdomen and all your internal organs, into your sexual organs, down into your hips now. And let it also travel down your legs. Make sure you get the joints, your knees, your ankles, your feet, and your grounding cord. That space that's right below your bottom. We call that the zero chakra. So we're cleaning that out. And now I want you to just put the rose over to the side and hold it above this violet fire that you have and drop it into the fire. And let that fire transmute this energy into pure source love again. And I sometimes shake my hand just a little bit, get it all off. We're going to do this again. So create out in front of you this big, beautiful rose, a brand new one, fresh, powerful. Command this rose to collect up any foreign energy from a specific person that you name. You know who they are, someone that either gets in your space or tries to manipulate you, or perhaps you think of them often. We just want to clean them out so that you can feel what you feel like. So again, we command this rose to collect up this person's energy. You can say their name out loud. Put the rose above your head and go ahead and bring it into your head, into your throat, into your shoulders, into your chest, into your stomach, your internal organs, sexual organs, your pelvis, your legs, your zero chakra, your feet. And again, we're going to take this rose to the side of us and put it right into the violet fire. And just let that go. We're going to do one more rose. Make a big, beautiful rose in front of you. Make sure you can really see all the textures, shadows, the colors. Smell it. Be grateful that this rose has the capacity to act as this magical tool for you. And let's command this rose to now collect up all the energy that we are ready, willing, and able to release that is no longer serving us. And go ahead and grab that rose from out in front of you, bring it up to above your head. And just for a moment, let's send it up through the top 3 chakras above our head, cleaning out whatever might be in the way of our higher self connection, and now bring it into your head. Into your shoulders, letting go, releasing all that is not serving you. Into your heart, shoulder blades, spinal cord, stomach, internal organs, sexual organs, the hips, the legs. Pay special attention to the knees and the ankles and the 0 chakra. This is how you walk through life. Letting go of the path that is old and no longer serving you. Move that rose to the side and let it go into the violet flame. Take a deep breath. And now we're going to fill ourselves up. Whenever we have cleared energy, it's really important to fill yourself up with the love and the light that you wish to now have and embody, so that you're not just absorbing all the energy around you. So we intentionally create above our head a circular golden sun. I like to make it big, like 5 feet across. I'd probably recommend at least 2 feet across, whatever size feels comfortable for you. And to me, it feels like a large golden balloon floating above my head. And I'm going to call energy back to me, but it's going to come into this golden balloon. And the golden color, as the highest vibrational color, is going to transform all energy that I'm calling back into God's source light. So we're going to call back all the energy from our home, our car, our electronics. And just watch that coming back into this golden ball. Call back all the energy from your friends, your family, your coworkers, even your community. Call back all your energy from the internet, everywhere you've been. Call back all your energy from your hopes and dreams, your to-do lists, your goals. And lastly, call your energy back from anywhere else that's coming to your mind that you know your energy is residing Just call it back because you deserve to have it now in this present moment. And you can always redirect it. You can even choose to call it back from your past, your childhood, your 20s, your 30s, your 40s, whatever age you are. And let's call forward the energy that's going to support us now from our past lives onto this particular path we're on. Let that energy come forward into this golden ball. And now we're going to incorporate this into our body. I like to poke a little hole in the bottom of the ball right above my head. Just poke a little hole and let that golden light sort of slowly, like a little waterfall, trickle out. And it's a golden elixir, like golden honey, slowly entering your skull, your brain, your face. And just let it continue to drain on down into your body, both inside and out. Down to your shoulders. Let it go down your spinal cord, fill up all the spaces necessary. Into your chest, into your chakra systems, into your skin and your bones, into the space between your cells. Down, down, down. Let it travel on down to your stomach area, filling up every space. You may have a sensation of warmth. You may have a sensation of tingling or love or gratitude. Let it continue down and fill up your pelvis area. And let it fill up your legs completely. The thighs, the knees, the shins, the calves, the ankles, the feet. And then as you become full, completely full, it begins to overflow at the top. And just let it overflow over the outside of your body, filling up your aura. Overflowing, filling it up so that you're sitting inside this elixir golden light that is you. And then I just like to reach up and grab that golden ball and bring it into my heart. Take a deep breath and notice how you feel. You can bask in this sensation for a little while. You could also be finished and open your eyes. Do what feels right for you. Thank you for being here. It's been a joy.